This is a little phone holder. Super easy to make. Real easy. Just take your toilet paper roll, come down about a third of the way, make your line all the way around it. Take your utility knife and make that cut. Okay, once you've made that cut, you want to make another line about a half of that. You're going to go halfway around this side all the way around the other side, about halfway. And you want a lip right in the front of it. You want to cut that out with your utility knife. Or you can just make a straight cut and bend it down with your thumbs or whatever. Anyway, this is the end product. You can make them. You can make them and throw them away. Hell, it just needs something real quick. Anyway, man, it works awesome. Either that way or that way. However you want to do it. That's what you wind up with. And just throw it in the garbage when you're done with it if you want to or whatever. But man, you can't beat that. You can make it in about 2 minutes. But anyway, I thought I'd share that. I think it's very handy, especially if you're out traveling or something, and you need something to hold your phone up next to the bed. Maybe you want to watch Netflix on your phone. There you go. Real easy. All right, y'all have a good one. We out of here.